Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon on this stormy day. My name is Ashley.Lundy and we are here at Guaranty RV to do a quick tour on a recently arrived Newmar Baystar. This is a 2020 model with only about 2,700 miles on it. We actually sold it new and just reacquired it again, so I'm excited to show it to you. Okay, so first thing, coming up to this Baystar 3408, it has the Eldorado exterior graphics, but inside here we have the sterling decor pattern. So as you walk in the door, of course we have our flex steel front seats. These are swiveling, reclining. The passenger has a footrest. And further back, this one has a great layout with the full wall slide behind the driver. So you have a sofa across from a Euro booth here. And we can see that Bose soundbar option sitting on top of the televator. This one, in the very short time we did not have it here, actually had a fireplace added as well. So this one has a few extra goodies. It has a large kitchen further back here. This one is optioned with the Whirlpool residential refrigerator, so that gets you extra inverter power, 2 extra batteries. Along with here, your microwave is also a convection oven and a very large size, matching Whirlpool here. And this one actually has a good sized bathroom. I personally really enjoy the counter space and cabinet space. I am one of those girls that has a lot of stuff to put in the bathroom, so big fan of this floor plan. Further back in the bedroom, we have a very large closet on the back wall, and you have the option here usually for an extra closet space or stackable washer and dryers. This is one of the very few Baystar floor plans that you can actually have a washer dryer in. So this one is great for full timing, or if you just really don't want to use a laundromat like I do. This one already comes equipped with it. They have very great options here. I'd love to tell you more about them, but I won't talk your ear off today. Thank you so much for watching this quick tour on a 2020 Newmar Baystar 3408. Again, my name is Ashley.Lundy here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Please don't hesitate to stop on by and ask for me, or if you have any other questions, you can call or text me directly at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching.